Hi, my name is Dorothy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review this Magnolia cookie press from Hearth and Home at Target. So it retails for $16.99 and it's a snowflake. So let's unbox this. This is really surprising. So now we're going to make see how well they cut out. I have some cookie dough here.
I'm going to roll out the dough here, and as you can see, I had to roll it a second time because the dough was too thin. The stamp did not make an impression on the dough, so the dough has to be at least maybe 1/4 of an inch thick. And here I am using quite a lot of pressure trying to get the stamp all the way down so that it to the table so that it'll cut the dough. And I use my hand, and that's the stencil. So it did make a design, but it was not the complete design, and I still had to pry the dough away from the other piece of dough. So there's another stencil, and then I'm going to make a third one, and you can see the edges are not very sharp. And there's the third one, and I'll go and make use all of the dough and make a couple more cookies. And then I use flour, which helped from the design from sticking. So here I am pressing it down really hard again, trying to get the stamp to work, but it didn't cut all the way down to the table to make a clean cut of the cookie.
And you can barely see the design on them. The stamps were not very sharp. They had more of a dull edge to them, and the dough had to be quite thick. It's a good cookie. I used the recipe on the back of the box, so it is a good cookie, but the stencils don't really work. So this is a no. So I would not buy the Magnolia cookie stamps from Target for $16.99. Well, I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you